there, crochet. Do you want to learn how to turn your regular fringe or ends on overlay mosaic crochet and turn them into this pretty fun twisted fringe? Let me show you how. Okay, crocheters, let's learn how to do this twisted fringe with overlay mosaic crochet ends. As you know, each row leaves you with an end on each side, so you can leave it here as fringe, or you can create an envelope border such as this to hide your ends. Or a new fun way that I learned is to do this twisted fringe. And this is really easy to do. I think the only trick is making sure that your fringe ends are the same length all the way down. This would be really cute at the end of a scarf or perhaps a table runner, something like that, tablecloths. But just a fun new way to do something with your fringe. Okay, let me teach you how to do this.
Great.
So you're going to do it with two pieces together. And you're going to start twisting your fringe, a certain way. So I'm going to do mine clockwise here. I do about like 5 or 6, spins all the way around. And then you keep holding that. While you keep holding that, do the same thing with your second strand. 3, 4, 5. Okay, now still holding them tight, hold them together. And, I'm like guesstimating like where my knot is, but you're going to take both strands, wrap them around your finger and tie a knot. Okay. About like there. Okay, make sure that's nice and tight. Then you can let go. And when you let go, you get that nice, fun, twisty fringe. Okay, you want to make sure that you're spinning your yarn ends in the same direction. So here, like I said, I'm going clockwise. And then so I'm going to go clockwise with my second strand. And then I want to make sure that I'm spinning it about the same amount of times so that your twist ends up looking about right. Okay. Like I said, my hardest part is making sure that my fringe ends at the right spot. It's really kind of hard to tell because when you let go, I think it turns out, it twists, right? So it's not going to be exactly where you think it's going to be. But I'd say I did pretty okay doing that. Okay, and then you can take your scissors and make sure you don't cut it too close, otherwise your knot will come out, but leave a little extra on the end. And voila, just a nice, easy way to, add some flair to your mosaic crochet ends. Instead of weaving them in or creating an envelope border, you can create this fun texture little twisted fringe. Okay, what do you think of the twisted fringe? Leave me a comment down below and tell me your thoughts. Leave me any questions or comments that you have and we can have a little discussion about it. Please like this video and subscribe for more tutorials. If you want to learn how to do an envelope border to hide your ends instead of turning them into this twisty fringe, I've got a video for you as well.